Hi, Jessica Tai here. Thank you so much for stopping by my website, and thanks for your interest in my keto recipe collection. I want you to know that I've put this recipe collection together with you in mind. My family has tried every recipe in here, and if it wasn't approved by them, it didn't make the cut. I have personally tweaked and tried and tested every recipe in this collection, and I think that you'll find it very helpful in your new lifestyle and keto journey. Everything is really just kind of a take on old classics that we have all grown up loving. Everything from meatballs and meatloaf to Italian dishes, and everything in between, pizza, desserts, all kinds of great things. So hopefully you can enjoy this. Every recipe in here is really easy to make. I don't want anything that's going to have you in the kitchen for hours and hours on end. So everything's pretty easy, great variety of ingredients. So hopefully you'll enjoy those. And I hope it just kind of gives you a new perspective on cooking and exploring some new ways to make some great dishes for your family. So thanks again so much for stopping by, and I can't wait to hear how you've enjoyed these recipes.